Welcome back, explorers. In our journey of uncovering the secrets of Earth geography, we have already traversed the latitudes in our previous video. But now it's time to turn our attention to the longitudinal lines that crisscross our globe. Before we dive into the fascinating world of longitudes, let me ask you something. What exactly are longitudes and how do they differ from latitudes? Why are they so crucial for navigation and timekeeping? Don't worry, all the questions will be answered in this video. Hello learners, my name is Naveen Kumawat and I hope you all are doing great and having a good time. So when we talk about longitudes, there are two major points. Longitude measures the distance east or west of the prime meridian और GMT. अब यहाँ ऐसे लर्नर्स भी हो सकते हैं जिन्हें ये शायद पता ना हो कि GMT क्या है, तो प्लीज़ डोंट वरी, वील स्टडी दैट टू. तो अगर हम GMT पे खड़े हैं और हम यहाँ से ईस्ट या वेस्ट ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, तो जितनी भी डिस्टेंस हमने ट्रैवल की GMT से, उसको मेजर करने के लिए काम आते हैं लॉन्गिट्यूड्स. द सेकेंड वन इज दैट इट इज़ यूज टू डिटरमाइन टाइम एंड डेट अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर हम कहीं भी हों और हमारे पास वहाँ के लॉन्गिट्यूडनल कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं, तो हम यहाँ से और वहाँ से टाइम और डेट्स आराम से पता कर सकते हैं. Isn't it interesting? Let's understand. This is our Earth, and if we cut our Earth horizontally from the middle, then it will look like this. So if we draw lines from the center of the Earth to the Earth's surface starting from 0 degree, then these lines will be considered as the longitudes of the Earth. तो ये तो होते हैं longitudes. Now, if we make any one longitude and when we draw a vertical circle around that longitude, then these circles are known to be as longitudinal lines. And this is how we can differentiate between longitudes and longitudinal lines. तो अब क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि हाउ मैनी लॉन्गिट्यूड्स डू वी हैव इन टोटल एंड हाउ मैनी लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइन्स डू वी हैव इन टोटल. सो लेट्स फाइंड दिस टुगेदर. पहले हम बात करते हैं लॉन्गिट्यूड्स की. तो 1 डिग्री वेस्ट से 179 डिग्री वेस्ट तक वी हैव 179 लॉन्गिट्यूड्स, और 1 डिग्री ईस्ट से 179 degree east तक we have another 179 longitudes, and as we can see 0 and 180 degree longitudes are common between the two. This tells us that we have 360 longitudes in total. हमारे पास in total 360 longitudes हैं. And when we talk about longitudinal lines, that is also equal to 360. अब हम कुछ ऐसे फैक्ट्स जानेंगे जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में कंसिडर होते हैं. सो बिफोर 1884 it was very difficult to have exact timing for the ones who traveled for days in oceans, and that's why the Britishers sitting in Greenwich, a city in London, introduced GMT, which is also known as Greenwich Mean Time. और 1884 से लेके अभी तक GMT के ही अकॉर्डिंग हमारी सारी घड़ियों में टाइम चलता है. Among the several longitudinal lines, India is considered the one which is at 82.5 degree east from the GMT as its standard time, also known as इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. अब जब हम बात करें the distance between the longitudinal lines, तो सेंटर पे किन्हीं दो लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लाइंस के बीच का डिस्टेंस मैक्सिमम माना गया है और पोल्स पे मिनिमम। नाउ अब हम जानेंगे कि वेयर आवर इंडिया इज लोकेटेड एज पर द longitudinals. The easternmost point of India is known as Kibuthu, which is at 97.25 degree east from the GMT, whereas the westernmost point of India is known as Guhar Moti, which is at 68.7 degree east from the GMT. Now we will solve some of the PYQs asked in different examinations, and please feel free to pause the video and drop your valuable answers in the comments below. Starting with the first, choose the incorrect statements regarding latitudes and longitudes. Longitudes are angular distances of a place from the equator. Latitudes are angular distance of a place from the prime meridian. And the answer is both 1 and 2. Moving on to the next. Choose the correct statements regarding longitude and longitude lines. Longitude lines run north to south from pole to pole, but they measure the distance east or west. Longitude measures the distance north or south of the prime meridian. It is used to determine time and date across the globe. And the answer is both 1 and 3. That's all about today's video. See you in the next. And yes, keep learning.